If you need to block someone on Hotels.com, follow these simple steps to ensure your experience on the platform remains positive and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the page. Step 3. Locate the blocked users section. In the account settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or blocked users. This may vary depending on updates to the platform. Step 4. Add the user to your block list. In the blocked users section, you should find an option to add a user. Enter the username or email of the person you wish to block and confirm the action. Step 5. Save changes. After adding the user to your block list, make sure to save any changes you've made to your account settings to ensure the block is effective. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Hotels.com, helping to create a more enjoyable experience on the platform. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.